How to get B11 filter on TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok, from where you can discover the various TikTok videos. So in order to use the filter, you need to create a video. And for creating a video, you need to log into your account. So if you haven't logged in, you can go to your profile option in the right bottom corner, and here will be the option for logging in. You can simply enter your credentials related to your profile and you can log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to see your profile over here. So in order to get the filter, you need to first tap on the plus option at the center of the lower button. And once you're here, you'll be able to see this various options. So in the right hand side of the third option, there is filter option. Simply tap on filters. And here are various filters like F1, F2 and many more. You have to swipe to landscape, and on the landscape you have to swipe a little bit where you'll be able to see the B11 filter. Simply tap on that and it will be downloaded on your TikTok. After that, you'll be able to use that. So this is how you get B11 filter on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.